There was once a boy named Karan who lived in a quiet town surrounded by hills. He was kind, curious, and full of dreams. But there was one problem: he was always slow. Slow to answer, slow to decide, slow to react. In school, teachers often told him, "You need to be quicker. Speed is everything in life." His friends would laugh and say, "You're like a clock that doesn't tick." Karan started believing them. He thought something was wrong with him. He forced himself to rush. He tried to change. But the more he pushed, the more confused he became. One day, during a science test, he panicked. He couldn't think. He froze. The paper was blank. He failed. That night, he sat alone, watching an old clock on the wall, one that had stopped ticking years ago. His grandfather came and sat beside him. He asked, "Why are you so quiet today?" Karan said, "Everyone says I'm too slow. Even this broken clock is better than me. At least no one expects anything from it." The grandfather smiled and replied, "Do you know this clock? It stopped ticking 10 years ago, but still, it shows the correct time twice every day." Karan looked confused. The old man continued, "Even something that looks broken is still right at its own time. You are not slow. You are just waiting for the right time to shine." Karan couldn't sleep that night, but this time, not because of anxiety, but because something inside him had changed. He stopped rushing. He started learning at his own pace star. He didn't try to beat others. He just tried to understand better, deeper, and slower, but stronger. Years later, he became a scientist, not the fastest, but one of the most accurate minds in his field. And that old clock? It still hung on his office wall, reminding everyone who entered. You don't have to tick like the rest of the world. You just have to be right when your time comes. Moral of the story: the world loves speed, but real success takes patience. Even a broken clock is right twice a day. Trust your timing. Don't force your journey, flow through it.